Friends, here we are talking about Ansible tags. See, Ansible executes all the tasks by default, but we can control the execution of tasks with the tags. Let me show you that with a simple example. See here, in this playbook, we have 5 tasks. And of course, each and every task is built with debug module only, just for our understanding purpose. I mean the usage of tags. Now let me save it and then run and see the result. See, this is our playbook. Now I am running that. See the result. See, by default, all your tasks are executing one by one. Now, whenever if I run my playbook using Ansible-playbook, I don't want to execute them by default. So in that case, how you can control is with the help of tags. Let me show you that. For each and every task, simply add a key called tags and its value as never. Now let me add this tag for each and every task. Now save it and then run and see the result. See, none of the tasks are executing. Now let's say I want to execute only first task or second task or any required task. Then how you can modify your tags? Let me show you that. See, whenever if you want to pass multiple values for your tags, then you have to pass them as a list. Now let me give a different key. Suppose first. See, this value you can give anything. See, as of now, this is a first task. That's why I'm giving one more tag as first. Now let me give for your second task also one more tag value as, let's say, second. Likewise. Now for fourth. Then for fifth. Save it and then run it. See, still none of the tasks are executing. But now we have an option to execute your required task. So for that, what you have to do is your required tag value you have to pass. Let's say if I want to execute first task, then tag value you have to provide first. See, simply playbook then -t space, let's say first, so that your first task will execute. Suppose along with first, let's say I want to execute fourth, then comma your next tag. That's it. And suppose with one tag, if you want to execute multiple tasks, so in that case, what you have to do is you have to take same tag value for your multiple tasks. Let's say for first task, I am taking one more tag value as first, fourth, something. You can take anything. Now same thing I will give for my fourth task. Now, if you want to execute only first task, simply pass first as the tag value. And if you want to execute only fourth task, just pass your tag value as fourth. But if you want to execute first and fourth, then instead of giving first comma fourth, now you have a common value, tag value for your first and fourth, that is FIFT, that you can pass. See? Now see the result. That's it. And last thing, see, suppose by default, if you want to execute any one of the tasks or some of the tasks, so in that case, for your tasks, you have to provide one more tag value as always. See, let's say always I want to execute third task, irrespective of your tags. Then always you have to give. Now let me run without any tags. See the result. Third task is executing. Be clear, if you have never and always keys, then the priority is for always. Now suppose if you want to execute fifth task also by default, then here also you have to give your one more tag value as always. Now see the result. Your third and fifth tasks are executing by default. Now along with these two tasks, let's say I want to execute first as well. Now see the result. First is executing, and then default tasks which are mentioned with the tag as always, those are also executing. That's it. So in this way you can control the executing your tasks using tags. See here, -t is the shortcut. Instead of that, you can also take --, tags. That's it. Okay, thank you.